Hi everyone. Today I'm diving into my current DNS setup, a containerized high availability configuration built on Proxmox. If you're into home labs or enterprise infrastructure, this will be right up your alley. I'm running 4 DNS containers across my Proxmox nodes. B100U002 is the primary DNS server and is usually running on PRX SRv2. The secondaries B100U003, B100U004 and B100U001 are hosted on PRX SRv3, PRX SRv4 and PRX SRv1. The primary server B100U002 replicates its configuration to all the secondary nodes. This ensures consistency, so if the primary goes down, the secondaries can still resolve DNS queries. However, you won't be able to make any config changes while the primary is offline. That introduces a potential single point of failure. To fix that, I've enabled Proxmox High Availability. B100U002 is part of a failover group called DNS Group. It runs with priority on PRX SRv2. If PRX SRv2 goes offline, the container will automatically fail over to PRX SRv4. If that's unavailable too, it will shift to PRX SRv3. That gives us redundancy and no downtime for DNS. All of the DNS servers are running bind 9. In the named dconf options file, I've added Google DNS as forwarders. I've also enabled notifications and zone transfers to the secondary servers. My internal domain is in.hcinfotech.ch. I maintain separate zone files for this domain, including reverse lookups for the 10.1.10.x and the 10.1.40.x subnets. Zone files define DNS and mail servers, hostname to IP mappings. Reverse zone files include PTR records, which map IP addresses back to host names. I'm currently migrating all VMs and servers from IPv4 to IPv6. Why? Because IPv6 offers massive scalability with a huge address space and flexible subnetting. This helps me simulate a cloud-like environment more accurately. Right now, Bind 9 lacks a native REST API, which limits automation, so I'm exploring PowerDNS as an alternative. It allows dynamic DNS record creation via REST, ideal for auto-provisioning new hosts. That's a key next step for scaling the lab. Let's run a quick nslookup test. We will resolve a hostname with both an IPv4 and an IPv6 address. Then we'll test the reverse lookup. We can repeat that test on the secondary name servers as well. And it should resolve exactly the same. And that's the overview of my DNS setup. As usual, I will create additional videos with a deep dive into the DNS configuration. By then having the IPv6 migration completed and most likely covering the PowerDNS setup as well. If you're working on something similar or have questions, drop a comment below or let me know what your DNS stack looks like. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Home Lab content. See you in the next one.